How to stake cryptocurrencies in Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to stake cryptocurrency in Trust Wallet. So for that case, go ahead and log in into your Trust Wallet account, and when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the page where you have to go and enter in your credential. So when you're logged in, then it's going to take you to the home page, and here what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and select the earn option. When you have done that, you need to go ahead and select the asset you want to stake. So I'm going to go with Ethereum. Then you can go and click on the stake button. Next, you have to go ahead and enter in the exact amount to stake and then select the validator. You can also leave the default validator as well. And when you've done that, you can go ahead and press on the continue button. And when you've done that, press the continue button, and next page, all you have to do is you just need to go ahead and review the details and then select the confirm button, and you'll have successfully staked cryptocurrency in your Trust Wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.